and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm just showing you guys the process we're in the moment, getting the girls' room sorted out. So you might have seen on Instagram we've already bought the beds, and then we've put in these lights that was gifted to us by Lighthouse. I'll put all the details in the description box. There is also a 10% discount code you guys can use any products on the website, whether it's these beautiful lights or anything else on their website. And I believe it's until 30th of June the code will be valid. But yes, this is where we are so far. So we bought the beds. I will also link that for you in the description in case you are interested in the beds. So I'm basically just sharing that process for you. This is part one. There is still a few things that I want to do in the room, so be in part two. And yes, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to click on the like button, to engage with me in the comment section. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I really appreciate it and it helps my channel grow. I don't want to keep you any longer, so without any delay, let's get into this one.
Living in your arms as years go by, it's easier to love. Oh, oh, easier to love. Oh, oh. If the sky is falling down on me, you'll be the one that's by my side to lift away from me. And if I find myself in reckless days, you'll be the one to pull me back into reality. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love. Oh, oh. It's easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love. Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. Cause baby, in your absence life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights. Living in your arms as years go by, it's easier to love. Oh, oh. Easier to love. Oh, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away. And the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights. Living in your arms.
that I got for them from Mr. Price yesterday. I was gonna go get duvet sets for them, but this was just so pretty, so this is what I decided on. So this is the comforter, and then it comes with this pillowcase. So this is what I got for the beads, and then from a White House linen or continental linen, I got the struggle is real, guys. Okay, there we go. Oh, these fitted sheets. So I'm gonna put that on now, and I of course just wanted to get like plain bedding for them because the beds and accessories, you know, really colorful, etc. But yes, the bedding I'm planning to keep plain and simple. The most part I'm just buying white bedding for them. I just feel the room will feel more coordinated and not too busy that way. So yeah, I'm gonna just set up everything now and then let the girls in.
So I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, easier to love, oh. There's nothing like the way that you adore me. I can feel love from miles away, and the light in your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light, feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms.
How did you make that? How did you make this?
Didn't make it.
Oh,
We sometimes do buy things, we don't just make.
How did you make it? Mommy, did you buy this?
You like your bed?
Yes. Yes.
You like your room?
Yes.
In your eyes tells me stories of life in a more perfect place where I wanna stay.